When it comes to manifesting, we often fall into the trap of believing that we must obtain what we seek. However, a profound truth lies beneath the surface of this type of belief. You don't have to manifest it because it already exists. The word manifest actually represents the act of bringing into existence something that is already inherently available or possible. Rather than implying a need to create from scratch or conjure something out of thin air, manifesting is the process of recognizing and allowing what already exists to become evident as tangible experience in a person's reality. Desired goals and realities are not distant or unattainable, but are, in fact, present within the realm of potentiality. And when we align ourselves with the energy of our desires, we create the reflection of them in our outer world as physical experiences. Abundance in all forms is already a potential and readily available. From this shift in mindset, we can go from a perspective of lack to one of recognition and alignment with all of the existing possibilities. In other words, we don't have to strive relentlessly to create something new. Rather, we can tap into the resources and the energies that are already surrounding us. Many individuals speak of their goals as if they're distant and unattainable, something to acquire in the future. And in doing so, when they attempt to manifest or create their desires, they inadvertently lock themselves into the frequency of lack, projecting that experience of not having what they want onto their physical reality. To break free from this cycle, it's essential to tune into the desired energy that is a reality now. Physical reality is not the ultimate truth. Instead, it functions as a mere projection of the frequency and energy that we embody and are tuned into, and it's a great feedback system. The only reality that truly matters is the one that we perceive in the workings of our mind. That is the deciding factor for the experience of reality that a person has. To do this intentionally, we use the power of our subconscious mind, that limitless reservoir of beliefs, memories, and emotions that shapes our perceptions and our behaviors. In the vast and interconnected web of the universe, the subconscious mind serves as a bridge to infinite possibilities. Unlike the physical body, the subconscious mind is not isolated or limited. It's a receptor for the universal energies that flow through the cosmos. As you align your beliefs properly with your desires and claim them as already yours, you open a channel for this universal energy exchange and a new physical experience. In other words, it's the subconscious mind that has the ability to tap us into all of the potential and possibilities available and instinctively line us up with the desires of our choosing. Because the subconscious mind operates beneath the surface of our everyday lives, it influences our decisions and our responses without our conscious awareness. So understanding and harnessing the power of the subconscious mind becomes paramount in this journey towards self-discovery and manifestation. This portion of the mind is much like a vast library, storing not only our personal experiences and memories, but also societal and cultural conditioning. Born with only two innate fears, falling and loud noises, we tend to merely adopt countless other fears throughout our lives based on this conditioning. Fears that block our ability to line up with what we truly want. But we can also release those fears. By delving into our subconscious and rewriting our internal programs, we can overcome these limitations and open ourselves up to a whole new world of manifestations that align with what is truly desired as experience. We do this through intentional mind programming. Mindfulness, meditation, vivid visualizations, subliminal messaging, hypnotherapy, and neurolinguistic programming are all ways in which we can unravel our layers of conditioning and change the blueprint of our subconscious mind so that we're able to tap into new realities. We must identify and rewrite the scripts that may be hindering our progress if we are to experience the type of change that we desire and redefine our experiences. Videos like this one and all of the other ones on my channel are intended to spark a few aha moments by opening up the thinking processes to new information. The idea is to change the way that we perceive our reality. When we're able to cease wanting and start knowing that what we desire is already available, we create a shift within ourselves that ripples out into the universe and affects all that is. So we must learn to trust in universal laws and the inherent fulfillment of our desires, and then approach life with the belief that what we seek is already a reality working its way to us. Asking for something that you already possess, even if it's only in the recesses of your mind, will only reinforce the perception of lack from the subconscious mind's point of view. The subconscious mind has a tendency to reinforce existing beliefs through a cognitive bias known as confirmation bias. It will selectively focus on experiences that confirm the belief in this type of lack thinking, ignoring any evidence to the contrary. But it also has the ability to focus on experiences that confirm that something is already so when we impress it sufficiently enough. Simply put, the act of asking implies not only lack, but a dependence on external forces. If we allow the environment, our outer experience, to determine our emotions and internal state, we give our power away to manifest intentionally. In doing so, we remain victims of creating the same types of experiences over and over again, rather than manifesting something new. In other words, if a person is only stable when their environment is stable, and is unstable when the environment is unstable, it will be difficult to manifest what is wanted, because they're working with the outer reflection rather than the inner power where all new outcomes and experiences are determined. The truth lies in recognizing and acknowledging that you already have the ability to tune into what you desire and claim it as yours. This type of mindset fosters a belief that opportunities are abundant, that what you want is available, prompting the subconscious mind to diligently search for the desire until it finds it in the physical experience. The subconscious mind will always drive us towards lack or abundance dependent upon our focus. But it is highly malleable and will take our instructions. With conscious effort, it can be guided towards a mindset that attracts and manifests abundance in various aspects of life. Emotionally engaging in vivid visualizations regarding your desire, as if they are already yours, will always strengthen the imprint on the subconscious mind. End each session by expressing gratitude for the positive changes that are taking place in your life. Believe and affirm that your subconscious mind is now aligned with the reality that you desire. Adopt the acting as if mindset and behave in a manner consistent with the person that you aspire to be, regarding anything that appears to be contrary as just an illusion until the shift happens. Also, the act of speaking out loud, questioning, and challenging existing beliefs serves as a direct dialogue with the subconscious mind. By consciously asking, "What is it that I'm not seeing?" or "What might I open myself up to that I didn't see or understand before?" you can initiate a profound internal conversation that can lead to the revelation of hidden obstacles and fears residing in the subconscious mind that need to be freed, as well as new experiences that were once blocked from your reality. Patience and consistency are key elements in subconscious mind reprogramming. Over time, as your subconscious mind becomes more aligned with your new way of thinking, you will find that your circumstances naturally shift to support the manifestation of your desires, because there's an intricate relationship and interconnectedness between thoughts and reality. You will always be in the right place at the right time, and you will be instinctively driven in a very automatic and natural way towards these things. The subconscious mind is not confined by the limitations of physical reality. It transcends the boundaries of time and space, reaching into the quantum realm where thoughts shape the fabric of existence. You may also want to consider the fact that your beliefs are a frequency that resonate with the universe. So when you believe something is already yours, you attune your frequency to the corresponding energy in the universe, creating a harmonious resonance that aligns with universal law. Recognizing the power that lies within you is fundamental to unlocking your true potential. So reach out with assurance, knowing that it's already yours, and refrain from reinforcing the lack. You are not a passive observer, but an active participant in shaping your reality. If you would like coaching to train your subconscious mind to automatically drive you towards your desires, I have a program designed specifically for this, and I'm running a Black Friday sale on that program for the next week. There's a link in the video description for that program and that sale. If you are not interested in coaching, I encourage you to take a look at my Subconscious Mind Reprogramming playlist for tools to assist you. And I will also leave a link for that in the description of this video.